The OUKITEL RT8 Rugged Tablet is built to withstand harsh environments, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable device in challenging conditions. This tablet features a massive 2000 mAh battery, allowing for extended use without the constant need for recharging, making it perfect for long trips and workdays. Equipped with a powerful MTK Helio G99 octa-core processor, it ensures smooth performance for gaming and multitasking, even with demanding applications. Its 11-inch 2K full high-definition screen provides stunning visuals, while the TUV blue light certification helps protect your eyes during extended use. The OUKITEL RT8 comes with a robust EV anti-shock shell and a 360-degree rotating folding stand, ensuring durability and flexibility in various settings. With dual SIM support and 4G LTE connectivity, staying connected on the go is seamless, whether for work or leisure activities.